What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So look, and today, you already know what we driving in. We back in that big thing. So since we finally got this car back, we finna do the basics. You know what I'm saying? Like I showed y'all the other day, it already when I was driving it, it ran hot on me because the fence was messed up. So the next thing I think I should do, should be the smartest thing, is change my oil. And I checked my oil catch can, and that's really what made me think about it. You can probably hear it, listen. I don't know if you can, if you can't, but anyways, I'm finna change the oil for the car. I've been driving in it all day. It stayed pretty cool. The vents kind of work, but of course the engine oil still gonna be hot. So first thing we finna do is let this cool down for a minute. I already got the oil in the car, and we're gonna jack the car up, and we gonna change the oil. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I ain't changed the oil in a minute in this car, so I don't even remember the oil pan both sides. It might be a 15 or it might be a 13. But either way it go, we finna figure this out. We finna lift the car up and we finna get straight into it, no cap. Well, while we waiting on it to cool down, I can go ahead and show y'all what the oil look like right now, because I haven't checked it yet. So hold on, I'm trying to get y'all set up real quick since y'all on. So I'm trying to get y'all in with this. Oil on it. Clean it off. It had oil on it, but I'm trying to see how much is in it though. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, so I've been driving this car with no oil on it. Bro, I don't know what it is lately, but with me and these cars and these oil pans and oil and just oil in general, bro, I think that should be me being lazy, because I used to never have these type of issues. So that's why I'm glad I went ahead and got the oil, because that's my first time. I've been driving this car back and forth to work, hitting the gas. Ain't even no oil in here. But they just go to show you, man, these 4.6s, as long as you keep oil in it and make sure it don't run hot, these things will last forever. So I'm finna go ahead and let this car finish cooling down. It's been cooled down a little bit, but I can still feel it got a little heat on it. So after I get done letting it sit for a little minute with the hood open, letting it cool down, I should jack it up so the bottom side of it will be getting air through it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Find which size is this oil pan drain plug, and I'm gonna change the fuel filter. So y'all just stay tuned with me. We trying to get this car back right, cause we trying to make it to some car events before this summer over with. Well, it's pretty much over with, but I seen some about some in Texas Powerhouse on the 16th. I might try to be there. So hold on, let's go ahead and get this car back right. We gonna talk about it, no cap. Hold on now, cause I know I ain't tripping. That's why I need to start picking up the camera more. Cause bro, what? My headlight, my things ain't been working. All I did was touch the pigtail, and it started working. It's crazy. I guess I might have to get another one, cause looking at this one, if you can see it look like it's stripped out in the inside. See it? So I guess I'm gonna have to get a new one of those, but at least my windshield wiper's fixed. So that's one thing I know. I'm probably gonna have to take that whole piece back apart and redo it. Alright, so we can't figure that out, but I'm gonna go ahead and go up on here and see if I can figure out which one of these is the oil pan bolt. I got this 16 and 18, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide up on here real quick see if I can find. I'm gonna try this 18 because I feel like that's it. For some reason. No, it might be the 16. Yup, 16. So I'm gonna get the ratchet for it. Alright. I got it. Of course. My cheap self got it on the adapter. So now I'm finna slide y'all up under here with me. Oh, I'm finna break this cord. Oh, shit. Let's see how much oil. Let me make sure. You finna see how much oil was in here. Let me grab y'all real quick. There's some oil in there. Look at all the ants I be working on. Like, bro, they fill up everywhere. You can see them. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. Yeah, I don't even know if y'all can see them, but they everywhere, bro. And I be out here trying to get y'all this content, man. So that's why y'all gotta like, comment, and subscribe, bro. I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to get out of this, man. Look at all them. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead. I think it's probably done dripping and draining now. I guess a good little decent amount came out of it for nothing to be on a stick. So I'm finna go ahead and put this plug back in, and then we finna go ahead and get to the oil filter. So up in there. That's it there. Right there. Still on there to turn. Just gotta go at it at an angle. There you go. So you gotta get you a good grip on. Get a good little twist in it. Should be just enough to get it by hand. Oh, look. Oh, I need both hands with this. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, there you go. I hate about this side one. They come out like this. I like my charger, but it's just Straight up and down. And I forgot, I think it's a trick. You gotta get this thing up out of here. Slap right up out of there. You see, that's where it's mounted to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my new one and then do the little, you know, the normal procedure. Oil up the O-ring, spin it on. Alright, got the new oil filter. Got to just pop this little plastic off. Boom. Ah, shit. I guess that's why OSHA say you gotta put on shoes. But luckily that ain't where we at. So boom. Roll up under here. And don't be like them people that be so, I guess, whatever you call it, OCD, where they gotta wipe the brand new oil on there, man. Any type of, any of that oil, as long as it's lubed. Cause it's much new oil that's gonna go through here. This little right here, this little brown stuff right here, ain't gonna make no difference, man. Don't let them tell you no different. Been doing this for a long time. Roll that back up in there. Find a screw. There we go. Just want to keep tying it. I was gonna say, I remember this because this used to always, this piece right here, anytime I did an oil change, that piece would cut my hand. I'm just, I guess, turning it one little time with this. Man, it's straight enough, bro. There we go, that's hand tight. I'll slide this from up under there. It's a little dark. I ain't gonna lie, see, look. See, I ain't gonna look, that was dirty. It's crazy, man. But that's why we going here to doing the oil change now. We probably should have been did it, but now it's better than never. So we got the oil tied up at the bottom. I'm finna go ahead and either try to do my magic with this one, because this one was easy to pull in. No funnel style. So I'm probably just gonna do it like that. Ah, missed. But once you get going, it's easy though. Got this side of the oil leak on it. It don't look like it's going. y'all see, we missed just a little bit. We're gonna move all the stuff out the way. You already know, I know it's 6 quarts, but I always put oil additive in my car. Just cause how I drive it, you know, I don't ever wanna let oil be the problem while my car mess up. That's what hurt me so much about the Charger, because that's one thing I always try to stay on top of is the oil. Some type of way that still end up happening, but I'm gonna go ahead and let this down. Make sure we don't got no oil leaks. In fact, I'll just start it like this.
Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next on this channel. No cap. Look.